In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio in the Bible app. Even though the app usually streams audio instead of saving it offline, you can still listen to the audio Bible as long as you have an internet connection. So let us walk through how to get to it quickly and make sure it is actually playing. First, open the Bible app. Look for the familiar dark icon with the words Holy Bible, then tap it to launch. When it opens, you should land on the Home or Today screen with reading plans, verse images, or your current streak showing. If you see a bottom menu with options like Home, Read, or Bible and Plans, you are in the right place and ready for the next step. Once the app is open, tap Bible. On some phones it might be labeled Read, but it is always along the bottom navigation bar. When you tap it, the main Bible reading screen appears, with the current book and chapter displayed at the top. You should see the verses laid out in the middle of the screen, usually as a list of numbered lines, ready for reading and audio. Now, choose a Bible version that has audio available. At the top of the screen, tap the abbreviation of the current version, such as KJV or NIV, to open the version list. You will see many translations here, sometimes with different languages. Look for versions that show a small audio or speaker symbol next to their names, since that symbol means audio narration is available. Beginners often miss that tiny icon and wonder why some Bibles have no sound, so checking for it saves confusion. After picking a version with that audio symbol, tap the headphones or speaker icon. You will usually find this icon near the top of the reading screen, close to the chapter reference, or just above the verses. Once you tap it, an audio control bar should slide up from the bottom of the screen, showing a play button, a progress line, and sometimes speed controls. If you do not see that bar, double-check you chose a version that supports audio. With the audio bar open, tap Play to listen. The play button looks like a small triangle pointing to the right, and once you tap it, the icon changes to a pause symbol, and the current verse starts to be read aloud. You will see the progress bar move as the narrator reads, and often the verse on screen highlights or scrolls to follow along automatically. If the audio stops suddenly, it usually means the internet connection dropped, since the Bible app is streaming the sound rather than using a downloaded file. So in this video, you open the Bible app, move to the Bible tab, chose an audio-friendly version, and started listening to the audio Bible. If this helped you get your audio Bible playing, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Bible app tips.